Hello guys, kumusta? This is John, and this is my second voice over, and hoping that you follow me and you can suggest. And by the way, I'm in the bridge right now, and the sea is calm, but not my hand. And kung saan yung mga comments, suggestions, basta pwede ko
Kaya nga natawag
sa inyo gusto. But this time is last cruise na mo dito sa Caribbean, and everyone was just already doing something doing ko na fourth na actual for the last port of the Caribbean. See you soon guys, have a great day, happy weekdays again.